So I was sleeping with Orbit. I didn't know that I was sleeping with Orbit. He sneaks into the bed all the time. But I was sleeping with him, and I put my hand somewhere, maybe on his face or on his body, and he bit me about 2 a.m. As the blood started to soak through the bandage. So I want to see what damage he did. So it was the most painful bite, and for some reason I didn't think he broke the skin. I was just going to go back to sleep, and then I said, oh, I'll use the bathroom, and I noticed blood coming from my hand, and so I have to put a bandage on it and some antibiotic cream, because cats probably lick their butts. So yeah, I think he just grazed me, but yeah, it's the first time I've been bitten by a cat and they drew blood. Anyway, maybe I put my hand in a place that he didn't like. Anyway, so I just did a video review of the Invictus yesterday, and it will be launched live on 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock. I don't remember the time I set it up for. But you see what I did to a banana? Maybe I should do Invictus versus Orbit. I'm kidding. I would never hurt my cat. But you know, let's see. Let's flip for it. Heads, I don't attack Orbit. Tails, I do. Ooh, 2 out of 3. Oh man. Oh, poor Orbit.